We're hosting our annual college fair, and we have about 150 universities from around the country coming to visit with our kids here in Fort Worth ISD as well as Greater Tarrant County. They get to meet with various colleges. This is a large event. They get to talk about scholarships. They get to talk about going to their particular universities, and honestly, trying to figure out which one is the best fit for their family.
The application is always open the first week of August.
You're able to kind of boil down what it is that's important to you.
2 years worth of honors level core curriculum program.
This event is very important for me because she is a first generation in my family. We have the dream to go to the university.
KU is really easy to get into if you have a 3.25 GPA.
It's a really cool event. It's my first year coming here, and I am so interested in finding out new universities.
We're a pretty large university. We've got a little over 41,000 students on campus.
And you get to experience a lot of colleges, you get to apply, you get to explore and see what college is the best fit for you.
So our marketing major is going to be in our Cox School of Business.
It was just really exciting to hear somebody talk to her like an adult, like what she is interested in matters, even though she's only in 6th grade.
Is there any scholarships?
I would really recommend anyone, either it's your freshman year, sophomore year, junior year, or your senior year, to come out, check out College Night, and you will find a lot of information for your future.